I'll be the first to say that we're committed to constant, never-ending improvement, and that we're a year into this business and totally committed to getting the company systems, leaders, leads, all working to where it becomes a very simple, easy to follow system. And we're on the way. We're not there yet. We've had success, but that exponential success where we're bringing on 10,000 people a week and we're impacting and changing a lot of lives financially, that is still ahead of us. And that's the exciting part. Just know that the vision here started with creating a win-win-win situation. If there's a loser in the equation, I just won't do it. It's just not part of the fabric of the company. And from that foundation, it's about bringing real value with incredible products and a real opportunity. And so the foundation, the fundamentals of what we're doing here are set, and it's a matter of the effort and what we do moving forward to put all this together. So with that, everybody, I want to thank you so much for attending the Monday call here. This is going to be an exciting launch. We're 1 year ago today, we opened the doors and there was a pre-launch period, and it was phenomenal. And within the first 90 days of the company, we put so much new products, new things, new pages, and it really stood us up. Well, just like a 1-year-old that's maybe barely on its feet walking, that exponential growth, and there's words and talking, and it's going to grow and go. But just know that we've got solid fundamentals. We got strong genetics here with with the company, and the future is looking very bright. So over this next 10-day period, check out some emails where I talk about VIP renewals, and then as we complete every phase of our Magic Suite rollout, we'll be sharing that with everybody, and we can even treat that as a pre-launch of a new platform that's designed to solve a huge problem in the world, which is the rising amount of people that are being laid off and the amount of people that are graduating looking for something. There are really good people out there, and it's our goal to become good ourselves and to create an opportunity that's worthy of attracting in these people that are leaving careers or being fired from careers where they've built these huge companies, and the companies are choosing to let them go in lieu of new technology. Well, we can be a home for that, and the things that are never going to go out of style are value and savings and having money as a product, and those are the foundations here. So everybody, thank you so much for attending. I'll get this recording out. Pete, Matt, really looking forward to this next chapter of leadership, starting from from each of us and then rippling it through the world. So thank you so much. Have a